Hello dear viewers and welcome to SL Times. Recently, a new Chinese AI model called Deepseek has been shaking the world of technology. Its ability to provide responses and understand queries similar to other large language models for a significantly lower cost helps it be defined as the future of AI. In today's video, we are going to talk about this revolutionary AI model, explore how it was developed, and what we should expect in the next chapter of artificial intelligence. The field of artificial intelligence has been evolving quickly in the past decade, with models such as OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini leading the industry. However, the most significant challenge in the AI industry has been cost. Training and running large-scale language models need high computing power, sometimes making AI inaccessible, and Deepseek's aim is to change that. Deepseek is an AI development company based in China and was founded by Liang Wenfeng in May 2023. Unlike its competitors, Deepseek focuses on developing open-source large language models that prioritize efficiency without signing away from capability. The company's first model was released in November 2023, but they got worldwide recognition after the launch of their latest model, R1. With its affordability and advanced query abilities, the new model has positioned itself as a serious competitor to OpenAI's ChatGPT 4.0 and o1 models. One of Deepseek's biggest strengths is cost effectiveness. While OpenAI charges $15 per million for input tokens and $60 per million for output tokens on the o1 model, Deepseek R1 offers the same service at $0.55 for input and $2.19 for output. This massive price difference led many companies to consider switching to Deepseek's models for AI-powered applications. In addition to the reduced cost, Deepseek's commitment to the open-source models also sets it apart from its competitors in the field, which limits access to its training data and model architecture. But how do they achieve that level of efficiency while keeping the cost drastically low? The answer lies in their innovative training techniques, such as incorporating reinforcement learning to improve the model's reasoning capabilities, or a unique approach called reward engineering, which uses a rule-based system to train the model instead of traditional neural reward models. These ways allow Deepseek to use less computational resources and develop highly capable models while keeping the cost as low as possible. Another major breakthrough is their use of distillation, a process that divides the knowledge of the large models into small and more efficient versions. This has allowed the company to develop AI models with as few as 1.5 billion parameters while still maintaining strong reasoning abilities. Despite its promising capabilities, Deepseek is not without challenges. Lowering the cost while maintaining efficiency is difficult to balance, and some experts question whether it can consistently match the accuracy of larger, more expensive models. The industry leaders are constantly improving their models by integrating the use of AI more deeply into everyday applications. For Deepseek to secure its place in the industry, it must prove its ability to innovate and adapt, not just its cost effectiveness. In the future, the introduction of Deepseek can modify AI access across multiple fields, like for education, students, and researchers may benefit from artificial intelligence without the subscription cost of premium models. Businesses could implement AI-driven customer support and content generation at a lower operational expense. In conclusion, Deepseek's rise marks a turning point in artificial intelligence history. With its focus on efficiency, affordability, and open-source innovation, the company is challenging the dominance of OpenAI and other industry giants. If it can deliver on its promises, it could reshape how we interact with AI, making it more accessible to businesses, researchers, and everyday users. As companies are fighting for leadership in the industry, there is one thing that everyone's certain about. AI is far from over, and the competition is driving us to new and exciting possibilities. This is the end of our video. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and as always, it was SL Times.